Following the curves of the St. Maurice River and inspired by a narrative that respects the cultural heritage of the Boulevard des Forges area in Canada, the Des Forges residence becomes a work of art in harmony with the natural environment and local legends. The architect is likened to a blacksmith craftsman, shaping the residence as a tribute to the region's industrial and poetic heritage. The black spruce board cladding was chosen for its visual neutrality. The unusual volume stands out on the horizon, reflecting the intention to project the image of a mysterious object floating among the trees and interacting with the curves of the river. The house is accessed through a covered outdoor space, sheltered and arched on all four sides. The design of the arches is inspired by Les Forges du Saint-Maurice, echoing traditional techniques using natural stone. 3 wings are supported by a natural stone foundation. Each is supported by a main steel structure and an intentionally exposed secondary wood structure. These intertwine in the center of the house in a spacious open area, where a monumental staircase becomes the focal point. In terms of spatial planning, the living areas and master suite are located on the 2nd floor, while guest and visitor areas, as well as garages and service spaces, are located on the 1st floor. The ceiling is covered with knot-free cedar slats, providing a warm and soft contrast to the black exterior. The living areas extend outward, emphasizing views of the surrounding landscape. Supported by a V-shaped steel structure, this generously glazed space offers breathtaking views of the St. Maurice River and connects to a large deck. In the kitchen, alongside the living room, a wood-burning fireplace integrated into the solid stone wall soothes the atmosphere and provides a warm contrast to raw materials such as concrete, steel, and glass. This modern residence respectfully blends with the landscape of the St. Maurice River and its surroundings, leaving as much space as possible for the natural texture of the stone used for the foundation. It demonstrates how the cultural heritage of the region, fueled by the folklore surrounding Les Forges du Saint-Maurice, can serve as a basis for a strong concept that generates quality architecture.